Hello everyone, this is Monica and welcome here Think Passive Income. If you want to know full guide beginner affiliate marketing, how affiliate marketing works and what is affiliate marketing, so keep continue. Okay, let's get it. What affiliate marketing means? You will know what is beginner affiliate marketing definition, which is actually a model of or framework that enables the brands to be associated with individual or companies. It's called affiliate, publisher, and partner. Call to track and measure their performance and do it efficiently, scalable, and profitable. For example, suppose you are a direct consumer company that sells engagement and wedding rings. Through your affiliate program, you can partner with. Regardless of what these partners do, generate sales, leads, new customers, and etc. You pay them after taking the right action. But how affiliate marketing works? Understanding this is very important for those who want to join the affiliate program and want to know how to make money from affiliate marketing. Any product based organizing company that makes and sells product has to promote it to sell its product. It has to be announced. When that product reaches people, people will buy it and money will also be spent on all these things. That is why all these companies launches their affiliate program, and the program will also gives people the opportunity to earn money. But here are some pros and cons of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is business system, and like any business model, it has pros and cons on both sides of coins. Some pros are lack of product creation, lack of customer support, recurring profit, flexible hour, scalability. And some cons are without control, addiction, no customer base, potential backlash, and maintenance. Okay, so how to start with affiliate marketing? You will know in 5 steps. You still need to know what affiliate marketing is and how it works, but you still have many things to learn if you want to start using affiliate marketing for your own business. Step 1, define your content platform. Before you do anything, you need to know how your partner will turn out. Product recommendation for the right people. More than 3 million people use the internet, but how do you start to get their attention? So you need one website. If you have a website, so you can set up two ways, hosted solution and solution hosted independently. You can define your content through email, through podcast, and through social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, or other third-party platforms like Quora, Reddit. So first, define your content. Step 2, consolidate the partnership. Advertising of goods is one thing, but to pay for this advertising, you need to have a contract with the seller. Fortunately, achieving this kind of partnership is easier today than before. So you need to be able to find many opportunities regardless of your niche and industry. Let's talk about ways to achieve this, as well as the main difference is payment structure and commission. Find suitable opportunities. Finding lucrative affiliate opportunities in your niche can be challenging if you don't know where to look. In the end, there are three ways: affiliate network, dedicated affiliate program, and private partnership. Like popular affiliate network include Commission Junction, in ClickBank, ShareSale, and JBJu. If you are going to select the affiliate program of any companies, so always keep in mind the duration of cookies, how many times they are giving your cookies that you can use 2 months, 3 months. Step 3, follow your affiliate link. At this point, you have marketing channels with the ready and affiliate partnership with the products to promote. Now is the time to implement your association so that you can refer to new customers. So some things need to be considered here. Get your affiliate link. Any good affiliate program will come with a dedicated panel with specific affiliate information. For example, GetResponse email automation provides this affiliate area where I can create my affiliate link. Note: after getting your affiliate link, where will you place your link? Your website, on your email list, on your podcast, on your social media, or other third party platform. After placing the link, now comes link management. So you can manage from Bitly, from pretty links or many other things are there out in the market. So you have to manage your links through these tools. Now comes step 4, drive traffic to content. Now traffic is the final component to making money from affiliate marketing. So you can check out my previous article or previous video. I have posted 40 plus best social media to promote blog post. This is easy. Traffic to your content is generated by clicks through affiliate link, ultimately generating sales and commission. Getting traffic varies a lot depending on the content and the content you create. So you can get traffic from social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, or other third-party platform. Or you can do SEO on your website, or you can do like others affiliator do, paid advertising. You can get a high traffic from paid advertising. Now let's come in the final step 5, track and measure conversation. Tracking is an important part of any online business, and being on top of the number as an affiliate pays off. This can be especially difficult when using multiple networks that all report through different interfaces. But when it is the most important to track results, don't trust your PayPal balance or to tell you what works. To measure the effectiveness of your marketing, here is below. Traffic track traffic to your content, tracking affiliate link, track sales on affiliate products. You can track your traffic, how is going on, so you can check it in Google Analytics. The truth is, if a merchant doesn't give you a sales report, it is very hard to know when a conversion is happening, like on the merchant website, not yours. Even advanced tracking tools like ClickMagick have taken a root here, mainly because they require replacing a tracking pixel on the merchant website that very few people will accept. So you can use tools like ClickMagick. So my final thought, here I have completed step-by-step information to beginner affiliate marketing. Like any business, affiliate marketing platform, but it is one of the amazing business model for making money online without the product available under your zone. All you really need is content, an affiliate partnership, and a way to drive targeted traffic through your affiliating. So, final, what do you think about affiliate marketing, and when you are going to start affiliate marketing, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you so much for